This is the pattern that you can see is something that we are going to build today. And this pattern is nothing but a funnel that we have built earlier as well, but this funnel is empty, right? This is a hollow funnel. Clear? So how to make it? And here you can see the process of making it. This is the first step. This is the second step. This is the third step. This is the fourth step. This is the fifth step. Okay, all we need to do is just build the first three. One after that we will reverse the step 2 and 1, right? And we will get this particular pattern. So let's start working on it. Here the height is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and height is 7, so I am defining number is equals to 7. And because the level is different, because first line is I'm printing differently, and this is something I'm printing differently. So I'm having two lines which are out of the for loop. So I need to create a for loop for only 5 values. That means num minus 2. Clear? So now let's go for the print statement, which will print stars. How many times it will print stars? It will print star like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 equals to the number, because the number is 7. Clear? After that we'll go for a for loop for I in range, and the range should be LVL, right? Because this will execute only 5 times. 7 minus 2, 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. And in these 5 times we will print in the beginning it should have the spaces. Okay? It should have the spaces. After that we should have the star, right? After that we should again have the spaces, and at the end we should have a star. Space star space star, like space star space and star. This is something which we need to follow till here. Okay, how many spaces should be there, how many stars should be there? For that purpose we are going to discuss, like here we are having 0 space. Clear? And here I'm having 1 space, here I'm having 2 space. That means the value of I can be used here, because I starting from 0 go up to that particular number. So I'm multiplying my spaces with I, right? After that what I will do, my star should be there. After that I also need to manage these particular stars. So how to manage these particular spaces? So to determine these spaces, you can see how many values I'm having here. So I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. 11 is here, then I will have 9, then I will have 7, then 5, then 3, then 0. This is how the values I will have. Clear? And how to deal with it, to make it, I know the simple formula that we have used earlier as well. To multiply by, means if I'm going for the basic one, I write level minus I, which is nothing but the reverse of it, right? This is the half triangle that we have made using I, and using level minus I will make a reverse triangle like this, right? But I want the pattern double to it, like whatever value I will get in this triangle I will get double to it. Like from here to here I will get the number of spaces, I will double the value, I will get the spaces from here to here. Whatever I will get from it, I will multiply the value by 2. Simple. And after multiplying the value by 2, I should have the values. So let's execute this and see if I'm getting the correct output or not. The output is correct. Like here you can see we are having an empty space, and here as well you can see. So this is making the perfect pattern. So what we can do here, we can add an extra space. Clear? And how I can add an extra space? Just add an extra space in this way and run it, and we are getting the extra space in this. Okay, it will print these many times. So what I can do, after doing it, I will add one extra space there. Okay, let's add one extra space there. For that purpose I write I plus 1. Let's do this, and now let's run this. This is the pattern that we are having, and from here I need to remove one space. How I can remove the one space? Just write -1 here out of it. Clear? Whatever I will get after multiplying it, I will subtract 1 from it, and this is the perfect value that I have made, right? Perfect top pyramid. Now what I need to do, I will take this and I will just reverse the process. How to reverse the process? Earlier I was taking level, now I'll take from earlier I was going from 0 to 5, now I'm going from 5 to 0, and every time I'll subtract 1 from it. Let's run this, and this is the reverse of whatever we want. Clear? But the problem is that we want one more value, so for that purpose I'm adding -1 to it, so that I'll go for one more height. That is correct, and this is something that I want to remove, so I'll write LVL -1. So let's run this, and we are having the exact value. Now in between here, somewhere over here, I want to make a star. Clear? But before that, let's go for the bottom line to see if everything is perfect and aligned. And now you can see everything is perfect and aligned. All we need is a star at the center. How to add a star at the center? For that purpose, I'm again going for a print statement, which will in the beginning have some spaces. How many spaces? It will have these number of spaces, and after that I'll add a star. Let's see if it works or I need to change anything. And it does not work. I need to remove one space from here. I need to go for num -I, and now you can see the pattern is perfect. We are having the top triangle, bottom triangle, both of them are hollowed, and they are making a perfect hollow funnel. Okay, and which is hollow from the top and bottom as well. So this is how you can make it, and yes, that's pretty much it. Thank you.